We are not going to 3D print a pressurized system. You know, I've worked in the past on large-scale 3D printing projects, and I know how difficult it is to really create something that is really with high tolerances. So what we decided, we have a double system. We have a 3D printed shell structure, and inside, which is in situ 3D printed, and inside we bring in these almost pop-up tents, which is manufactured on Earth with high manufacturing standards. And it's a little bit like, you know, it's quite an architectural way to do it, you know. Look at candela structures, you know. These are shell structures made in situ, not by robots, but by people, right? They have certain tolerances, not that accurate. And then afterwards, you bring in fit out, you bring in facade system, which is a much higher tolerance. So you kind of work with two systems at the same time. And that was our proposal. So quite an architectural approach to it. And then looking at the inflatables, well, you might think, oh, it's all good and well, you're kind of like coming up with these ideas, inflatables in space. But when we started the project, we really looked at using technology that is kind of almost there, yeah? That is kind of tested, that is not completely science fiction.